town to town, from London to Ceylon. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Bow, 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 bow. All right. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another Sunday Fun Day with your boy Tenacious Dudley. Yes, I reinvented myself from Dudley Do Right. I am now Tenacious Dudley because I am a tenacious badass who will stop at nothing for building wealth for myself and my family. And I hope you are aligned. Are you a tenacious badass? You are in the right place. If you are a tenacious badass, we come to you live every Sunday at 8 p.m. to get on here and motivate you to do more in this life. Man, time is the number one currency, and it is flying by. Today is January the 16th, 2022. What are you doing to make your dreams reality today, this week, coming up? What are you doing? Well, you keep watching my videos, or are you going out and doing stuff? I am here put on this earth to get you to where you're going. I've been blessed to be exposed to all this financial literacy, and I'm still learning. So use me up while I'm here. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Do more now. Welcome back to Building for Generations. We are here, present, and alive on our journey to 3,000 strong, limitless business leaders, limitless, tenacious badasses who will remain unstoppable in building wealth for themselves and their families. So what are you doing? Guys, again, the focus is today to get you to where you're going. We are focused on building the ultimate, and I mean when I say this, the ultimate tax plan for real estate professionals in the commercial real estate industry. So that being said, if you are a commercial person, or if you are a real estate professional who owns or leases 5 or more doors, right, you are in the right space. We are developing and will continue to develop a streamlined approach to building the ultimate tax plan for you, the real estate professional. So today, our focus is exactly that. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of what we're building out, and so you guys can get some insight on what we're building out, and that you guys can use us up at the accounting services. We want to add value the best that we can. So I'm going to go ahead and show our screen here. And this is our 12 practices that we run at Dudley Accounting Services. Today, we're going to be going into value creation, mastering the tax plan, right? So we have 3 key clients that we service. That is a short-term rental investor, the real estate agent, and the real estate investor. All right, today we're going to be focusing on the real estate investor more so than anything to start out with, but we're going to be building. We're going to be building on top of this so we can have a tax plan that is aligned with what's going on with you and your business. So we're going to be talking about Bob, who owns 5 multifamily properties, 15 doors total. So we're going to go into your roadmap to the perfect and the ultimate tax plan. Today, we're just going to briefly touch on maximizing tax deductions for the real estate professional. Then we have a bunch of other things that we're going to hit on this channel, like legal entity optimization, retirement planning, real estate niche strategies, you guys can read my screen. You guys know what's up. But are you a tenacious badass? Are you a limitless leader? So definitely get on our website, and I'll give you the spill after we go through this. But definitely get on our website for the Limitless Leaders Meetup group. We are meeting up and putting together a group of tenacious badasses who we're going to come together, and we're going to strategize. We're going to invest together, and we're going to share knowledge together, and we're going to make this life extraordinary together. So let's get into maximizing your tax deductions as a real estate professional. And it's pretty simple. I don't have it built out. I just have these, these things. I have it built out a little bit, but I have each strategy that in our tax plan we're going to go over with our clients and kind of tailor it to their needs. One of the things that I wanted to hit on today, we already talk about hiring your kids on this channel. Hiring your kids is definitely important. You get up to $12,550 for a business deduction if you hire your kids. My son, he works at our rental properties, and we try our best to get to this number to pay him. So we get a write-off for our business, and also we get to he has his own debit card with Chase First. He has a first checking account with Chase Bank. They allow him to have a debit card, and he loves to go out and spend the money. So we teach them about money. Of course, you got to teach your kids about money and how to spend it, and how to save it, all that good stuff. But check out our video. I'll be putting the card up here in the video right now, so you guys can check out this video on how to hire your kids. So that's one tax strategy that we want to definitely exploit in 2022 going forward. Now, meals and entertainment is one that I love because I like to go out and eat with my clients. And I don't know, some of you real estate agents out there or real estate investors like to go out and eat with prospective clients. People. So they have up until 2022. So the Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2021, it allowed us the deductibility of 100% for all the food and beverages that we go out and we purchase. Anything that's ordinary and necessary for our business if we are conducting business. The intent, I'm going to say this again, the intent to make money, the intent to acquire a new client is 100% deductible, that meal and those drinks that you have. So this is a little timeline that kind of tells you, not a timeline, it's a little chart here that tells you what is 100% deductible, what's 50% deductible, and what is 0% deductible in regards to meals and entertainment. Now, entertainment, they were talking about, they took that bad boy away. But entertainment is 100% deductible if you have team building outings, right? So you guys can see here, a golf outing for employees and their spouses is 100% deductible still. So you can still work in the entertainment piece, just as long as it's not a Bulls game or a hockey game or something like that. It has to be a team building opportunity for your company, so you guys can take advantage of this. But I'm gonna go back again. These meals that you take in 2021, which was last year, we're taking 100% of deductibility for those meals, and then we're taking 100% of deductibility for entertainment, for the team building outings that you have with your organization. So this is just briefly going through what we have. Then you have the home office deduction. You have the renter. So if you're a renter and you have a business, you get to use either the simplified method. There's a lot of words. We're going to do our best to put this in a picture format so it's easy for you guys to digest. But the renter has the greatest value with the home office deduction, right? You get to take, the percentage. So you use the simplified method, which is $5 per square foot office square footage, up to 300 square feet. So that's a $1,500 maximum if you use the simplified method. Now, if we use a regular method, and that is two different ways you can use a regular method. You can do you can take the rooms. Like, say if you have a 4-bedroom and one of the bedrooms is a office space, you take 1 out of 4, so 25%. You take that percentage against all your utilities. Now, if you're using a regular method and you want to use a square footage method, you get to take the square footage of your home office divided by the total square footage of your home, and that will spit out your percentage that can go against your utilities, and your regular expenses like your your electricity, your gas, and all that stuff. So you get to take a percentage of that. So using a regular method, you get to do that. Now it's different if you're a renter versus a homeowner. A homeowner, you get to actually take a percentage of depreciation. Now you want to be careful when you do this as a homeowner, because when you go to sell that house, you got to do a depreciation recapture on. You didn't do this correctly. And if you took the home office as a homeowner and you didn't take the depreciation portion, the IRS is still going to look at you for that depreciation recapture, even though you didn't take it. So you definitely want to have a good tax accountant or a CPA or EA in your corner when you're doing this. As a renter, you get to literally say, you guys can see an example here. Bob uses one. Let's use a regular method. So we already talked about the bedroom method, but Bob uses the square footage method. He can deduct 18% of his home. So the office he has is 100 square feet, and the total square footage of the home is 556. So he gets to take a deduction of $324 a month. Times that by 12, $3,888 per year he gets to take as a home office deduction as a renter. So these are just a couple things, and then you got tries. This stuff just gets too good not to take advantage of. And I'm just gonna go over what we did this holiday season. We traveled and took our board of advisors. My girlfriend, myself, my son. We went to Wisconsin Dells this year, and the good thing about business travel is you get to use a travel day when you travel to the location is a travel day, and when you travel back is a travel day. And in between those, on the 25th here was a holiday. It was Christmas. That's seen as a business day. And then on the 26th was a personal day. And then on the 27th was our planning meeting. So you can sandwich a personal vacation within your business travel. If you know what you're doing, if you document correctly, again, if you have a good tax accountant in your corner, you document this stuff correctly. So I just wanted to get on here and briefly show you guys some ideas on what you guys can do to advance your business forward. You guys are in good hands. Let me go ahead and get on my website here. Go ahead and check us out. Go ahead and check us out at DudleyAccountingSys.com. You guys can see it, and also you guys can see our little QR code here. Here we got our QR code. Let me get out of here. So we got our fancy over here. Let me get better at this. We got our fancy dancy QR code here. Pull out your phone right now and scan that bad boy, and that'll lead you directly to our website at DudleyAccountingServices.com. And join our Limitless Leaders meetup group. We are starting that on Mondays at 7 p.m. Every Monday at 7 p.m. We're going to meet, share ideas. If you have deals or something you want to bring to the table, or if you need a plumber, you need an electrician, like in the area, we want to come together as a group and help each other out. So definitely get on our website at DudleyAccountingServices.com. The link will be in the description below. And remember, people, remain, and I'm telling you guys, remain unstoppable. You tenacious badass. Peace.